Hey my friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download Canva design in high quality. So after watching this video you're able to do this work. So without any more time wasted, let's get started. First I'm going on Canva. This link I will touch my video description for easy access. So here are two design I open right now on my PC. So I want to download it. Okay, I want to download first one. Then first of all you need to go on share button. You can see this is the share button. Just click here, again scroll down, then click on download. So I select jpg file. Then you can see here are quality. So if you keep up it's small, then your quality are very low. Then if you keep up it 100, then file size are large. So I want to download, to type up first of all small, then click on download it. Then okay, it's already done. You can see this is a 24.9 KB only. So I want to download its high quality. Now just click on download. Again it's keep up 100, then click on a download button. Then it's already going up. Okay, wow, you can see this file downloaded are 519. First file are 24.9 KB and second file are 519 KB. This is a different. So this is a method. If you have found this video for helpful, please make sure subscribe this channel and turn on notification bell, and must behave like this video. See you again, take care, goodbye.